everyone. This is a planning branch Odoo app. It's a simple tool to manage a different branches in one company. User can access only their branch and manager can see all branches. It also works with a PLM module. Let's see how it works. Now, after installing this module, let's get into the settings. Under user and companies, we can see the branches where we can create a list of branches. So we have created three branches. Now, after creating the branches, let's set the branch to the user. Now, this is the user where we need to enable a multi-branch access and we need to give an branch access for an admin. Also, we have a user access too. Now, after this, we need to give a permission for a branches. So I have given three branches for this user. So once we have set up everything, let's get into the PLM. Under the configuration, you can see an easier stages. Let's get into that, where you can see a branch wise record for easier stages. And from here, we can filter it out based on the branch wise. So there are four branches or stages are there, and for the Mumbai, there are four stages. Now let's get into the configuration and get into the easier type. Now in this easier type, where you can see there are two types which we have created. One is from an Ahmedabad branch, another one is from the Mumbai. Now let's get into the tag where you can see a list of tag which is from the specific branches. Now let's create an engineering change order. So there are some engineering change orders which are already created. Now let's create a new one by clicking on the new option which is available here. And in this, while we are start to create a new record, it will automatically fetch a main branch as a branch over here. Okay. Now if user tries to change, they will get a pop-up like this. Now let's fill all the details. Now, after filling all the informations where you can see the bill of material. Now let's see how we can create a bill of material. So to create a bill of material, we need to get into the bill of material over here. And in this, you can see a bill of material which is for an Ahmedabad. Now, if I switch to Mumbai, where you can see a bill of materials for a Mumbai. So these two are different ones. So which is one is from Mumbai and another one is from Ahmedabad. So the bill of material, now I am in Ahmedabad. There is a bill of material for Ahmedabad, which is a laptop too. The same one. Okay. So let's get into the change orders. Okay. So I'm in Ahmedabad where it will list out only the Ahmedabad related bill of material. Now, in case if you need to list out a Mumbai too by selecting this option, yeah, that can also be possible. We have another module which enable you or allow you to select a multiple branches at the same time. Check in the description for the module link. Now, after filling all the informations, now let's click on the start revision where you can see a revision is created over here, which is in archive state where you can see a branches and also in the components too we can see the branches, the same branches. While getting into the ACOs, you can see all the related to the same Ahmedabad branch will be available here. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.